back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Suzy Love here. Yes, and we're back again with another interesting video as always. But before we continue, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I thank you all for those who keep subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Lots of kisses to you. At the moment, we're standing at the beautiful Victoria Mall. Yeah, that means we're Victoria Mall, and we're just going to do nature today. We are going to admire, we are going to go places. So if you want to tag along, like and subscribe and share. Let's go.
City boy beat this beat.
Baby, your love is fire. Your love is fire. Don't think I'm being on tower. Sitting on top, baby. Baby, your love is fire. Your love is fire. Don't think I'm being on swallow. Sitting on swallow, baby. Zasinga yo kulinda, zasinga yo kuwala, zasinga yo kugamanti. Baby, I miss you so much. Enongo sereze yono na baby. Nyinzo kupagale nyo ate umutima ne gufa baby. Remba ntwala ngabo twala la. Chusampo zampo nyo mutima onjagala. Baby, your love is fire. Your love is fire. Tonde kabambinde nontawa.
Beautiful ladies. We're already at the zoo.
You are not
the last time
just the other side, Kibali, the Shibri, one of the side crane, ostrich, the tallest, bird, doesn't fly.
Okay. So this belongs to this one here.
The scar
You mean it's that big?
no.
Oh, this is back then. That's how it used to look
No,
like.
no. And actually this one was young.
Really?
Yeah.
What, guys? Just check out how big the skull of an elephant looks like. What? So a normal elephant, how big is its skull supposed to be? Is it bigger than this one?
Bigger than this one, mature one, very grown one.
Yeah.
When you go to Queen Elizabeth, you will go.
Yeah.
Because the elephant is the biggest land animal, the second is the land animal, the second one is a rhino. Yeah. So a mature one, the skull is bigger than this one.
Wow, that's interesting. So guys, I hope you're learning something. And these are?
That one is a wattle, what you call, how do you call the wattle? The museum.
Hey.
This one is a zebra.
Zebras, eh?
Yeah. Here we have the dung of different animals. The dung.
Do I even know how a heart beast looks like? Do you have it here?
Sorry, the what?
A heart beast, because I'm seeing it's
Yeah,
cool.
the heartbeat. Yeah. You can see some animals which eats grass. You can easily identify the dung. Because this one. Yeah. That one, a python, African local python.
That one?
Yeah.
Guys, a python is there.
Timber.
Why an African python? Is there a Western python?
African python. So,
Eh.
global, and that one is the biggest and the largest. Global.
Wow. The whole world.
The whole world.
Okay.
Someone will say, no. What about anaconda? Have you ever seen an anaconda?
Interesting. Eh?
Is it your first time?
I've not been here in a long time, so.
So this one, the hippo, but you don't see this one.
You don't have hippos here?
You don't, because they live in the water, deep water. So you don't have the deep water. So this one, they are the animals we have.
Wow.
This one is the.
It's quite an interesting place.
Yeah. This one is a leopard, a lion, hippo, giraffe. You will see them. Elephant. We have Charlie. That one is called Charlie. We have this one.
It's called Charlie.
Yeah.
Still like this guy. See the Charlie elephant.
Okay. So this one, they are the buffaloes.
Okay. I meet the beautiful girls over there.
So the teams, we have the team, the skin, belly flesh. We have the one for the cheetah. You are going to see the difference between a cheetah and a leopard because some of them and you get the difference.
Okay. So is that wood or that's a real crocodile?
Yeah,
It's a real
the
crocodile.
inner skin, the skeleton, the other side, you can have a touch. Just that
Okay.
one. Yeah,
Wow.
have it.
Guys, it's really, you may think it's wood. You mean it was live?
Yeah, it was alive. Yeah.
Ah.
Have you ever heard about it?
Okay, just look at, yeah, we have.
Yeah.
Just look at how
skin
big.
also will be here.
So a normal crocodile is this big.
Bigger than this one.
What?
Normal one. Bigger than this one.
Wow, this is interesting.
But when you go there, the exhibit, crocodile exhibit, you will see carnivore and marina. Have called them. You're supposed to.
As we do lots of farming in Uganda.
Sorry?
We do lots of farming. I'm like showing them this.
Yeah.
This is tea, right?
Yeah, tea. Yeah, that's they are harvesting tea. So we are trying to show you what's in Uganda, what many people do. So you can see farming here, almost this one, fishing. Then we have the harvesting. Yeah.
What is this?
That one is a tobacco. This one.
Oh.
So you have the coffee. Yeah.
I hope you're
Up there
learning
is
something.
a buffalo. That one
Yeah.
is a buffalo. We have
So guys, just bring your family to the zoo. It's one place to
yeah,
go.
you're going to see even Ankole cows. I know some of you are not interested in cows.
So what this dance is from which part
For
of Uganda?
Hadisu dancing kadodi. Because you can see this skin. It was for monkey. So this monkey is called black and white Calabasi monkey. So they are dancing kadodi.
And these are the actually?
Yeah, the Cholis, the Ugandas, they are here. Yeah.
Wow, this is interesting. Let's go somewhere else as well and
So
get to see
your
some
first
other
exhibit is going to be when exhibit.
Shampozi waise na akako? Akakeep. I don't even know. So guys, that's our tour guide. I didn't get to know your name.
I'm Josh.
You're Josh. Okay. Nice. So we are currently going to the Queen Elizabeth exhibit. Yeah, the Queen Elizabeth exhibit park. There are lots of ostriches. Oh my god, every time I come to this place it just looks new. I don't know. I just have a strong attachment with animals, I think. It pops.
Yeah, they
It's
are very
well.
dangerous birds. They don't fly. They
Oh.
are very strong. Just one kick can kill a lion.
Wow.
One sharp kick. And the
Oh.
reverse kick.
Really?
Yeah.
One kick kills a lion.
One kick can kill a lion.
What?
So this one is the female one. The black one is a male one.
Where is it?
So this one, these
Ew.
birds, they feed on grass. But God is very creative. He created this bird. This one they have that gray color. The other one is black because they share the. No, it doesn't. But during the process of incubation, they share that process, the period, and the period takes 42 days to get the younger ones. Yeah, normally people they eat these birds, which is very bad because animals, they are wild animals, they have feelings too. You people are not supposed to.
Guys,
feed on
don't
these
feed on birds. Don't
So-
feed on ostriches.
So if you have raised, they want the eggs. That's why I told you they share the incubation period. This one sits on eggs during day, the other one during night. So always a male one is in black. This one,
So why does a male why is a male ostrich not pretty? I think it refers to a peacock as well.
yeah, as well. So now if these birds they are going to mate, they have to first seduce this one. The other one it has to dance.
Wait, the male.
The male one, if you like, they want romancing.
The
Let me use
male.
that one because romancing. Yeah. So the other one has to first dance for this one. So normally people they like the eggs, but unfortunately, good enough we don't have the eggs of these ostriches.
You
we
keep
have-
them somewhere?
No, they are not yet.
They're still young.
Yeah. So how can you prevent yourself from being attacked with this bird? One, are you seeing that thing, like kind of a bicycle, that one?
Yeah.
So
Over there, guys.
like if you have been attacked with these birds, you make sure you have something like a tall stick, taller than its neck.
Oh.
And when you are moving, make sure that you backslide.
You don't run with your.
Don't give it your back because it will get you. So you make sure that you backslide like Michael Jackson. The most of money only work. So you make sure that you backslide. It cannot attack you.
Okay.
Yeah, but never tamper with these birds. We have the waterback. The waterback, the other animal. We have the cob. I know. So the queen is always keep coins. So you have the coin, the African coin, the Uganda coin.
Guys, are you seeing it?
That animal.
I don't know if you can view it so well.
Yeah, we have. When you look down there, we have the zebra. Yeah, the zebra, they have two colors, black and white. But surprisingly, the younger one of the zebra, they are born pure black. That one moving.
I didn't know that zebras, when a zebra is young, they are completely black. But the more they grow, the more they get the stripes and something. So that's something I've learned with the girls over there. So let's go and see some other animals. We have the lions, the hyenas over this side. Yeah, Patricia is over there. I like the way this place is like all green. This whole side. Like, we are now going to see the lions. Good to see the lions. They're over here at the moment. They're resting. I think they're done having their meal, their lunch. Yeah, so let me show you how the lions look like. Seeing them. Yeah, it's quite a very beautiful place actually. I don't know, parents out there, it's high time you bring your kids to the zoo. The Lion King. Wow. Guys, I think I can have a really good view for it. Yeah, so that's them. I don't know why they're not even looking at us at the moment. I think we came at a very awkward time. So that's them. Oh, the spotted eagle. A spotted owl. I don't know if you guys can see it really well. Yeah. So let's go and see other. And we have parrots.
They are invisible. Can you see them?
Yeah, over there. Over there, there's a hyena. Oh my god, I fear those animals. Whether dead or alive, they'll still come for you. They remind me of the Lion King. For those who watched Lion King, guys, the hyena is there. Yeah, I did watch it. You should go and watch my YouTube. Check out Patricia saying she didn't watch my vlog. Trisha, did you watch the Lion King? Yeah, you should go and watch the Lion King pretty soon. Yeah, so. Come, let's find out what it is. We have a rhino. Yeah, I didn't know it actually looks like a dead something. It looks like a log, I think. It looks like a log. That's a rhino over there. And it seems like it's one. I think when these animals grow and reach a certain age, they're taken to the parks or something, right? I think they're taken to the park. So, a rhino, and it's alone. So let's go and see other animals. We are going to the land of the chimpanzees. Yeah, Budongo Champ Island exhibit. Yeah. So let's go see what is over this side. And there's a school already. I really like seeing kids coming and admiring nature.
City boy beat this beat.
Kukesa bukeso teri okokoga. baby, your love is fire. Your love is fire. Don't think I'm being on tower. Sitting on tower, baby, your love is fire. Your love is fire. Don't think I'm being on swallow. Sitting on swallow, baby. Zasinga yokulinda, zasinga yokuwala, zasinga yokugamanti. Baby, I miss you so much. You know.
Let's have a look at this kind of snake.
Look at it then.
This is a cobra.
They're very dangerous.
Guys, don't mess with snakes. Hey, hey. Yeah, it has a very beautiful skin. I don't know, but my phobia for snakes literally like collapsed. I don't know. The more you see them, the more you stop fearing them. But oh my god, snakes are dangerous.
Don't think I'm being on tower. Sitting on tower, baby, your love is fire. Your love is fire. Don't think I'm being on swallow. Sitting on swallow, baby. Zasinga yokulinda, zasinga yokuwala, zasinga yokugamanti. Baby, I miss you so much. You know, go say you're not that baby.
By the way, the zoo is both sides for parents. You can bring your kids. We have, I can see there is a play area for the kids and what have you as you're moving around, or even after moving around as a family, you can still come and relax and like entertain your kids. There are lots of play stations. There's a food area over there, the restaurant, yeah, and that's how it looks like over there. Oh my god, that has been very interesting. For this one, not yet come. I don't know what you're thinking. It's high time you come this side and enjoy. Families, bring your children. Yeah, so the day is just beginning. If you still want to continue with us, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah.
Baby, your love is fire. Your love is fire. Don't think I'm being on tower. Sitting on tower, baby, your love is fire. Your love is fire. Don't think I'm being on swallow. Sitting on swallow, baby. Zasinga yokulinda, zasinga yokuwala, zasinga yokugamanti. Baby, I miss you so much. You know, go say you're not that.
Resort, beach, and Tebe. And it's going to be lit. I can't wait to have fun with these beautiful ladies of mine. Oh my god. I don't know, it's a Sunday well spent actually. I'm shooting this on a Sunday. I don't know when I'm going to upload it. It's going to be either a Monday or something of that kind. But if you know that you have a very stressful week, one of the things to do over the weekend is to come and hang out. There's a way it releases the stress and everything. So let's go along. Oh my god, I can't wait.
Your love is fire, don't think I'm being on tower. Sitting on tower, baby, your love is fire. Your love is fire, don't think I'm being on swallow. Sitting on swallow, baby. Zasinga yo kulinda, zasinga yo kuwa.
Uganda, Africa, America, Maradona,
This is the end of our today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed everything from this.